Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily delete messages on Snapchat from both sides. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Snapchat app. Then hit Add Chats icon and open up some conversation. If you want to remove any messages from that conversation, all you have to do is just hold down on that message and hit Add Delete. Then confirm it by hitting Add OK, then hit Add Delete, and that will remove that message from your device, from Snapchat servers, and from your recipient's device as well. But it will show right here that you deleted a chat. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Snapchat tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.